Hey folks, it's Susan at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway, historic downtown Paducah, where positive energy works. And it's time for your angel message this week. But you know what? I don't care when this shows up in your feed. If it's showing up for you, this is the message the angels wanted you to hear this week, right here, right now. So let's see what they've got to say for you. I've already cleared and shuffled the deck a little bit. So I'm just going to spread it out. I've connected with the divine, and I'm asking my angels to talk to your angels and say, what message do you need to hear right here, right now? All right, so give me some guidance, angels. Oh, there's one right here on the end. Okay, I don't usually have to do the very end. Connect with music. Okay, thank you, angels, for inspiring me through music. Well, first of all, I mean, who doesn't love music, right? But science has found that music is a certain part of our brain gets activated when it hears frequencies or music or melodies. Even with Alzheimer's patients, a lot of times they may not be able to communicate, but if you play a song for them that they remember, boy, something triggers in them. Brain injury gets healed with music. But even more than that, music is really nothing more than frequencies, okay? And frequencies, when they hit us, we start to resonate with those frequencies. And so what happens is we can up our frequencies by resonating with external sources of frequencies. You can do that with tuning forks. You can do that with sound bowls. You can do that with music. One of the easiest things to do is to do it through your music maker, okay? You know, oftentimes I'll be in meditation or even on the massage table, you know, connecting with the divine. And as part of my healing, they'll ask me to chant. I know, it's an interesting phenomenon. And so when you get down in here and you start to vibrate down in your gut, okay, it shakes loose some stale energy, and it really helps to get that energy flow going, get rid of that old stuff that's not serving you, and get you back into tune with God's divine plan, okay? So come on, let's do it. All right, so take a deep breath. And one of the easiest way to do this is to say the vowels, A-E-I-O-U, okay? So it's going to be funny, and it's going to be fun, so I want you to do this with me because I don't want to do it by myself. So you ready? A-I-O-U. Oh man, I tell you, I can feel it all the way down into my hips. I can feel my buttocks, you know, vibrating on the chair. And that really got my energies going. So I know you're sitting there, you're like, I'm not going to do that. But I want you to try it. Maybe not in front of people because it is a little strange. So take a nice deep breath. You're going to go as low as you can, and you're just going to say your vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. And I promise you, it is going to shake up that energy. So try chanting, but if you don't want to do that, get yourself some music. Bring your frequencies up. Folks, I hope that message helps you this week. This is Susan with the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway, historic downtown Paducah. Positive energy, it works. Thumbs up are great. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification, and as always, folks, namaste.